Let's get started with our 4-palette makeup application. So I'm starting here with the first step, which is the brightener. And as you can see, we're brightening the center of the face and also around the eyes. We're bringing more highlight to the center of the face. Next, we're using our contour color, which adds dimension under the chin, along the top of the cheek, the forehead. And now we're applying her main foundation highlight, and you apply this wherever you feel that you want to cover up anything. And then the next step is just to blend everything together, starting with the lighter colors first. In a tapping motion, pushing the product into the skin. Blending. You do not want to swipe. You want to use a tapping, stippling motion. Blending it all together to give a real natural look. Now what we've done here is we have blended an eyeshadow and the lip balm together to create a beautiful lip color. The color that we've used is called Crimson, the beautiful brick red color. Again, just mixing it with a lip balm. And that's what's beautiful about this makeup. You can pretty much create any color of lipstick with all of our eyeshadow colors by adding it to a balm. This is the color Crimson. We're adding it to her eyelids. At first, we used the lip balm that we used on her lips to the eyelids, but I wanted to give it a more brighter look, so I dipped the brush into the eyeshadow itself and went back over the eyeshadow that we had applied, just to give it more of a pop. Now we're applying it underneath the eyes and bringing it out to the edge, giving more definition to the eye area. And then applying more of it to the top of the eyelid, creating an eyeliner look. And then to add a little bit more definition and shimmer, we've added a beautiful pink shimmer just to the inner corners of the eyelid, bringing that into from the center to the inner corner of the eyelid, and now we're blending it out. And now we're adding an illuminator. The color is called Nova. It's very pretty. You can add that to the tip of your nose, along the Cupid's bow on your lip, and of course to the higher points of your cheekbones, just to give it a really nice natural glow. And that's the finished look.